Today we're painting one of the great heroes of Middle-earth, Aragorn. In this series we're painting all the models from Fantasy Flight's Lord of the Rings Journeys in Middle-earth, using only the speed paints from Army Painter's Most Wanted set. The goal? Fully painted models in just a few evenings, with a simple, beginner-friendly method that still looks great on the table. We're starting each one with a zenithal prime. Full details are in the priming video. Starting with the skin, I'm using a darker tone, as if he's spent years under the sun in the wild. Apply this base coat to the face and hands. With the skin tone done, let's move on to the clothing. Paint the tunic with Absolution Green. For the pants, use Gravelord Grey. Using Grim Black, cover the boots, gloves, braces and sword hilt. Apply dark wood to all the leathers and the scabbard for that warm, earthy tone. For the hair and beard, stick with Grim Black. It gives Aragorn that rugged, weathered look. Now the cloak. Use Forest Sprite. When covering large areas like this, keep your brush well loaded and work quickly. Go back to the palette often to try avoid drying patches and ensure smooth, even coverage. Onto the metals. Use Broadsword Silver, then pick out the finer details on his braces, scabbard and tunic with Hoplite Gold. And with that, Aragorn is ready to take his place on the battlefield.